Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the AMC 8 2018 problem number 8. And here we have a quick review of the problem. So it says that Mr. Garcia asked the numbers of his health class how many days last week they exercised for at least 30 minutes. And it says that the results are summarized in the bar graph on the right, where the height of the bars represents the number of students. So the question is, what is the mean number of days of exercise last week when rounded to the nearest hundredth reported by the students? So this question is nothing crazy. There aren't too many tricks to it. You really just have to look at a graph and slowly and methodically find the mean. And the key here is really just making sure you don't make any silly calculation mistakes, because you just have to make sure you read the numbers on the graph correctly and you're multiplying as you should. So if we kind of zoom in here to get a better idea of the graph, we can see that the number of days exercised are along the x and the number of students are on the y. So if we have kind of start with our first graph, that's 1 day, and then how many students did that? That's just 1. Now next we have 2. This goes up to 3, so 2 times 3 is, because again, we want to find the total number of hours that's, or the total number of days that have been exercised for at least 30 minutes, and that you just multiply your x and y values. So again, now for 3, we have 3 days was done by 2 students, 4 days was done by 6 students, 5 days was done by 8 students, 6 was done by 3 students, and then 7 was done by 2. So this, we just slowly add up, and this would give us, again, the total number of days where students exercised for at least 30 minutes. So you have 1, 2 plus 3 is, or 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6 again, 4 times 6, 24, 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 3 is 18, and then 7 times 2 is 14. Now adding these up, so we have, this is 12, this right here is 64, this right here is 32, and we have our 1. So 12 plus 32, that's 44, plus 64 is 88, add the last one, you get 89. So that's a total of 89 days where we have students exercising on that day. Okay, so let's just make sure, here I just like to check again because it seems like we've made a calculation mistake. So 96, here, sorry, actually it's not 89, don't know how we made that, it's 109. So 109 days. And now what we want to do for our denominator is the total number of days, because we have to kind of average it out, right? So the total number of students is how much? So here we look back at a graph, and instead of multiplying, we just simply add up our y values. So we have 1 student here, this is another 3, this is 2, that's 6, that's 8, that's 3, and that's 2. Adding this up, you get 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 8, 20, and then 25. So our answer is just 109 divided by 25. And looking at the problem, wait, let's move this instead there. The problem asks for the answer rounded to the nearest hundredth. So 109 over 25 to the nearest hundredth. That's not hard to do, because if we multiply both denominator and numerator by 4, we get 436 over 100. And this as a decimal is just 4.36. And so that would be our answer. And that concludes this question. So if you have any questions on this, make sure you leave a comment. And also, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a like, and we will be back tomorrow with another question. Thanks, Deborah, for watching.